This message is being sent at the request of the New York City Police Department. Within the past hour, there have been reports of people roaming around the city pretending to be police officers. These people go by the name of UTTP or YouTube Troll Police. They were described as being short and height and wearing a uniform that is entirely blue. They have been going up to random people across the city telling them that they were under arrest by the authority of Tommy Parkey for trolling. They state that their mission is to stop trolls despite the fact that they are trolls themselves. If these people approach you, just ignore them because they are not actual police. They are just immature people who have nothing better to do than bother others. This concludes this message.